Well, today was a small little deep clean. I mostly touch up, you know, every little area, the kitchen mainly, and everywhere that visible, we put a little deep clean in it. Nothing major, but it's all good. Yeah, the stairs and the glass outside, I couldn't do anything else and don't do those. They was terrible. Yeah, the stairs, we have to touch it up. And the glass outside and all the little stain mark. We do a little something, nothing major. Okay, that's it. You got a little bit more than what we bargained for. We touch everything that we can touch. Yeah, and here we go. This is the end of it. Look at it, looking good.